Hi guys, this is Sarah. I'm Crystal. I'm Mackenzie. You already know me. We are at the beautiful beach. We're at both social security. Yeah.
We are vlogging now.
I'm cold. We are walking, guys.
It's
Sorry.
Kind of cold. I got cut on my leg already.
You want to share where?
Yep.
We're okay right now. Say hi, Jacqueline.
Hi. Guys, everybody say hi. We're vlogging on Jody's. Hey.
It's Mary Kate. Guys, this is Maya Oviedo. Give me the phone! Really? Oh my god, be careful. Hi! I'm vlogging now. No, sideways. Okay, sideways. Excuse me. Hi, I'm vlogging now. Jody's over there. I took your phone and I just got here. What's your name? Who's all over there? An hour later, vlogging day.
Oh my god! Don't put that in your video. I'm eating.
She's eating strawberries.
Always.
Okay. I gotta tell you about my bathroom experience. There are these 3 kids in a stall, and at first they were making fun of me. They were literally mocking me in a different stall. I was like, oh my god, it's bad and it smells in here. And they're like, oh my god. I was like, okay, now they copied us. Now there are people looking at us vlogging. Those people over there were looking at us. Oh, Knuckle, don't do that. Hi, Jade.
Hi. It's really cold right now.
Hi.
Sarah, look at the vlog.
We had.
Sounds good, but I'm like,
Yeah.
I tried that. It's very cold.
I like this. This is our bonfire thing. Look at that beautiful. Hate her. Oh, I hate my wife.
Oh.
Is this your boyfriend's phone?
Yeah, I'm
Angela.
dating Sarah.
I look crazy. Please stop. Look at Angela.
How what's your passcode?
Wait, can I just show them how many texts you got?
07.
Wait, hold on. I got ready. 07.
Don't look at my text.
Wait, shoot. And Monty just got here. So, and her mom. Abby, say hi. This is the fam. They're eating, like always.
That is being deleted right away.
They always eat.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Same.
Yes, sing it.
There we brought some chicken. You guys already get a chance to eat.
That was nice.
That's all I got.
Hi, Mackenzie. Wow, I zoomed into your face.
Who's fool?
That's Kyle.
Oh, yeah, on our faces. No, I was doing Sarah's face.
Like sometimes I like beans, like you put
I call these onions.
made the right way, and then I'm like.
That's Imani. Say hi, Imani.
Hi. Yeah, I'm not really like the water because it's cold.
I like it
Also, I'm wearing
It's so cold.
There's a bathroom. I can't feel my legs.
I was about to run over this.
Angela! You scared me.
This girl here, she's trying to hit me with the ball because I got fined with $50 for breaking the computer.